Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a simple Ankara head wrap. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. I see the like, I see the comments. Guys, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. I'm going to be working with this Ankara. It's 1 yard, so I'm just gonna fold it like this. Just gonna fold it little like this, and we're gonna do a plait here. So I'm gonna use a rubber band to hold it here. This is it. I'm gonna place it on my head like this. Maybe if you have a wig on, you can leave it like this open, but with me that I didn't put on a wig, or I don't have a braided hair on my head, so I will just, all I need to do, I will curl it out here. I don't want to pin it, I'll just tuck it in here like this. You need to do, okay, just bring it out like this. You see, voila, we already have our beautiful head wrap. If you don't want to pin it, you can leave it like this. Can leave it like this, but for me, I will just pin my hair. I will pin my hair, and on the other side, look at it. You see how simple and cute it is. This is really simple and cute. See, this is really beautiful. This is 1 yard, so if you have your 1 yard Ankara, you can achieve this beautiful head wrap. And I think you can see, if you don't want it to be like this, you can do it like this. You can see, style it like this. See, this is another cute way to style it. And if you want it round, you can still put it like this. So guys, let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Is it this one, or the other one with the one side, or the one on this side like this? So just let me know in the comment section which one you like. And I really appreciate you all for your support. Like I said before, I see the like, I see the comment. Thank you. And if you enjoy what I'm doing here, you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any new video, you will be notified. And thank you all. I appreciate you all. Much love here.